Welcome to 7017 Deerpath in Afton. This is a gem, a neighborhood that's very quiet, as you can hear. Brand new marketing happening this weekend. First open houses Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 3 p.m. Come on in, let's take a look at some gleaming all hardwood floors and a beautiful layout. Inside of this house is beautiful, gorgeous hardwood floors, 5 rooms, and we have a finished lower level. Total, it's about 1,300 square feet. Really adorable. And it's got a 1-car attached garage.